Looking for the best car cleaning gel that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best car cleaning gel that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Puladiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Puladiki Cleaning Gel is an impressively effective solution for keeping car interior spotless, especially in tight, hard-to-reach areas where traditional cloths or brushes struggle. Its soft, flexible texture easily lifts dust, crumbs, and debris from air vents, cup holders, dashboards, steering wheels, and other intricate surfaces without leaving residue behind. The pleasant lavender scent and natural material formula make it enjoyable to use while remaining gentle on interior finishes. Its reusable design adds excellent value, lasting through multiple cleaning sessions until the gel darkens. Beyond automotive detailing, it also performs well on keyboards, remotes, laptops, and other water-resistant household items, making it a versatile cleaning companion. Although it should not be washed with water or used on delicate screens, following the simple care instructions ensures reliable performance. Overall, this cleaning gel is a practical, convenient, and cost-effective accessory that delivers excellent results for both car owners and home users. Next up is Tycarf Car Cleaning Gel. The Tycarf Car Cleaning Gel is a simple yet highly effective tool for removing dust and debris from the hard-to-reach areas of your vehicle. Its soft, flexible texture easily molds into air vents, cup holders, dashboards, door handles, and other tight crevices, lifting dirt that traditional cloths and brushes often miss. The gel is easy to use, feels clean in the hands, and leaves no sticky residue behind, making the cleaning process quick and hassle-free. Its pleasant lavender scent adds a refreshing touch, while the reusable design offers excellent value, allowing multiple uses before replacement is needed. Beyond car detailing, it performs equally well on keyboards, printers, remote controls, calculators, and other water-resistant surfaces around the home or office. Although it should never be washed with water, proper storage keeps it effective for repeated use. Overall, this cleaning gel is a practical, versatile, and affordable accessory for maintaining a dust-free environment. Coming in at number 3 is Auto Joe Car Cleaning Gel. The Auto Joe Cleaning Gel is an excellent detailing accessory that makes keeping your car interior clean both quick and effortless. Its soft, moldable texture easily reaches into tight spaces like air vents, cup holders, dashboards, door handles, storage compartments, and console panels, effectively lifting dust, crumbs, and fine debris that traditional cleaning tools often miss. The natural material formula is gentle on interior surfaces, leaving no sticky residue while providing reliable cleaning performance. One of its biggest advantages is its reusable design, allowing multiple cleaning sessions before replacement is needed, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. Beyond automotive use, it also performs impressively on keyboards, laptops, TV remotes, calculators, and other water-resistant household or office items, adding exceptional versatility. While it should not be washed with water or used on delicate screens, following the care instructions ensures long-lasting effectiveness. Overall, Auto Joe Cleaning Gel is a practical, convenient, and high-value cleaning solution for everyday use. Now number 4, Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel. The Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel is a practical and highly effective cleaning tool for removing dust from hard-to-reach spaces in both vehicles and household electronics. Its soft, flexible gel effortlessly conforms to air vents, keyboards, dashboards, camera buttons, speakers, printers, and other textured surfaces, lifting dirt and fine debris that conventional cloths often miss. Made from natural gel, it feels gentle on the hands, carries a pleasant lavender fragrance, and leaves no sticky residue behind, making the cleaning experience comfortable and mess-free. The reusable design offers excellent value, allowing multiple uses until the gel becomes dark or overly sticky, while simple storage in a cool place helps maintain its effectiveness. Although it should never be washed with water, following the care instructions ensures long-lasting performance. Overall, Color Coral Cleaning Gel is a versatile, affordable, and reliable cleaning accessory that simplifies everyday maintenance for cars, home electronics, and office equipment. And finally, our last pick is DNA Motoring Car Cleaning Gel. The DNA Universal Car Cleaning Gel is a convenient and effective solution for maintaining a clean, dust-free vehicle interior with minimal effort. Its flexible, moldable texture easily reaches into narrow spaces such as air vents, cup holders, dashboards, glove compartments, steering wheels, and other difficult-to-clean areas, lifting dust, crumbs, pet hair, and fine debris without leaving residue. Made from a high-tech, eco-friendly cleaning compound, the gel is reusable, providing excellent value when stored properly in a cool, dry place. The simple application process makes it suitable for users of all experience levels, while its versatility extends beyond automotive detailing to cleaning keyboards, printers, remote controls, calculators, and other dry, textured household or office surfaces. Although it should never come into contact with water or wet surfaces, following the care instructions ensures long-lasting performance. Overall, this cleaning gel is a practical, durable, and reliable accessory for everyday cleaning needs. So those were the top 5 best car cleaning gel you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.